Mommy Terry here, and today is July 6, 2024. So, um, as an adult at 55, I would say marami na akong sakit. Unfortunately, dinagdagan ko pa siya. So, it was like, I guess, end of May, like my birthday, I guess. The week of my birthday and then the following week, I decided not to take my maintenance. So I am already hypertensive at my diabetes. So yung hypertension ko started in 2016, and then after 3 years, 2019, diagnosed naman ako with diabetes type 2. Yun pa. Nakakaya kasi type 2 yung diabetes ko, which means to say, acquired siya. Hindi siya hereditary. So, pag acquired, it seems na pasaway ka lang talaga sa diet mo. So, I love sweets. Lahat ng sweets hindi ko tinatanggihan. And unfortunately, sometimes I forget to drink water. Kasi yung mother ko was sweet tooth din yun. Pero namatay siya ng walang sakit na gano'n. Because she always makes sure na 8 glasses of water. Hindi lang yung normal size ng glass. Talagang overload pa nga yung 8 glasses of water niya. So wala siyang naging complication, anything about diabetes. Ako lang talaga sa family namin, mother's side, father's side, ako lang yon, acquired. So, nung birth week ko or last week of May and then early June, I decided to stop them. Lahat. I stopped them talaga. And di ko alam kung actually June na yun eh. Kasi basta matagal kong hindi iniinom yung gamot ko. All of them. 6 to be honest. Kapag binibili ko siya ng kompleto, umaabot siya almost 8,000 a month. So parang, ewan ko, nanawa ba ako sa gastos o nanawa ako sa kaiinom? Which is wrong pala. Very, very wrong. Kasi nga, maintenance, para ma-maintain mo na lang yung health mo. Especially that I would still want to see my child, my youngest, settle down. So nung last week of June, nasa office ako, nag-work. Nung lunch break, bila ako na-rush sa St. Luke. Kasi, taas ng BP ko, 190 over 100 something. 110 ata yun. Awan ko, 100 or 110, whatever. Tapos yun, nung nagkita kami ng cardio ko, pinagalitan ako. Husband ko, galit na galit. Kasi, he lost his mother because of that. Bigla lang inatake yung niya, yung mother niya. Hindi na nagpaalaga, diretso na ang patay. And she was really young when she died. So, sa mga pasaway na regardless of age, kapag may maintenance ka na, you have to maintain it. Regardless. Ngayon, ang alam ko, kung gusto mong mabawasan yon is magpakatino ka sa diet mo. So, since May naman, I cut down my sweets. Kung mahilig ako sa cake, sa ice cream, at lahat ng sweets, o chocolates, cut down yon. Talagang as in wala. I still eat rice, pero hindi ganon kadami. Tsaka, hindi na ako gutumin ngayon. Parang natitiis ko pa nga minsan yung gutom ko before eating. But bottom line, maintenance is maintenance. Anong naging effect pala nung hindi ko pag-inom? Nagkaroon ako ng, buti na lang maliit pa daw, yung nagsuswell ang ang ugat ko sa ulo, sa brain. Yon. Aneurysm. I forgot the exact term, pero yon. Binabantayan, and after 3 months, magpapacheck up ulit. So, wag pasaway. Huwag na tumulad sa akin. Bye!